Alternative, touch foot with ball. So legs straight up 60 degrees, not 90 degrees. Don't bend your knees, don't bend your legs. Always tighten kneecap. With ball, total lift upper body. Hands, head, neck, upper back. Ready? Alternative, touch foot with ball. 1, right leg. 2, left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. At a time lift both hands and both legs. At a time lift upper and lower body. Naukasanam, up and down. Ready? Legs right, join big toes, tighten kneecap, lips close. 12, up, down. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn to right side. Sitting position. Turn to abdomen side. Half mid body liftings. Half flanks. Interlock hands. Take elbow support. Interlock hands. Take elbow support. Join foot, knee, thigh. Abdomen, thigh, legs up and down. Abdomen, thigh, legs up and down. 1, up, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. With ball, hands right. With ball, both hands right. At a time, lift both hands and both legs. At a time, lift both hands and both legs. Balance on your tummy. At a time, lift upper and lower body. Ready? Viparita Naukasana. 12, up, down. 11, up, down. 10, 9, 8. Come on, lift hands and thighs. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sashankashanam. Sashankashanam. Sit in Vajrasanam. Kapalabhati Pranayamam. Both hands in Chin Mudra. Both hands in Chin Mudra. Sit straight. Lips closed. Open eyes. Kapalabhati Pranayamam. Only one breathe in. Maximum breathe out 60 count. By abdomen strokes and hissing sounds. Abdomen ploppings and hissing sounds or pressure cooker sounds. Ready? Slowly. Only one. Take a large. Breathe in. Now forcible. Only breathe out. 60 count. Abdomen strokes and hissing sounds. 55. Abdomen ploppings and hissing sounds or pressure cooker sounds. 50. 45, 40, 35, 30, come on, abdomen strokes, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5. Relax. Next, with brick support, butterfly. With brick support, butterfly. Sit straight. Thigh, hips full up and full down. Full strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With the dumbbells, standing position. With the 2 dumbbells, hands full rotation clockwise. Join foot, lips close, hands full rotation clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Anti-clock. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. Turn to north side. Sit down, sit in Vajrasanam. Stand on both knees. Left leg stretch to left side. Left leg stretch to left side. Brick exactly left foot ankle back side. Dumbbell with right hand. Total upper body turn to main door side. Your face turn to main door. Stand on left foot heel. Tighten left kneecap. Now lift right hand. Slowly bend your upper body to left side. Right hand, it should be maintained from back side of head, ear, neck, upper back. కుడి చేయి తల చెవి మెడ వెనుపూసి వెనుక నుంచి రావాలి. తల ముందరకు ఉండాలి, కుడి చేయి తల వెనకాలకు ఉండాలి. మీ తల భాగం, మీ ముఖ భాగం మెయిన్ డోర్ చూస్తుండాలి. యువర్ ఫేస్ ఫేసింగ్ మెయిన్ డోర్ సైడ్. టైటన్ లెఫ్ట్ నీ క్యాప్. టైటన్ లెఫ్ట్ నీ క్యాప్. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same. Only brick change to right side. Left leg stretch to left side. Brick move to right side. Dumbbell with left hand. Dumbbell with left hand. Tighten left kneecap. Now lift left hand. Your face facing Buddha wallpaper side. Now slowly bend your upper body to right side. Take support brick with right hand. ఎడమ చేయి తల వెనుకలకు రావాలి. మీ ముఖ భాగం బుద్ధా వాల్పేపర్ చూడాలి. నాట్ సన్ గాడ్, నాట్ మెయిన్ డోర్. కమ్ ఆన్ లిటిల్ మోర్ డౌన్. స్టాండ్ ఆన్ రైట్ లెఫ్ట్ ఫుట్ హీల్. ఎడమ కాలి మెడ మీద ఉండాలి. Anuradha madam. Left heel. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now sit straight. Turn to east. Turn to east. Relax both legs. Relax both legs. Both legs straight. Now fold both legs. Fold both legs. Hands back support. With dumbbells or without dumbbells, your wish. Hands back support. From left hand side. Lift mid body, lift thigh, seat, lower back, mid back, upper back, and left hand towards to back side wall. Ready? Down. Now 2 right. Down. 3 left. Down. 4 left, right. Down. 5 left. 6, 7, 8. Come on, lift mid body. Ready to hold. 9 total. Lift mid body. Left hand towards the backside wall and stay there. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready? Next, half fold. Fold both legs. Catch both big toes, both foot on inner side of yoga mat. Both foot on inner side of yoga mat. Catch both big toes. Ready? Both legs make it straight. Tighten both kneecap. Upper body slowly lean to back side. Tighten both kneecap. Very good. Down. 2 up. Down. 3 up. Down. 4. Down. 5. Down. 6. Down. 7. Down. 8. Down. Ready to hold. 9 up. Stay there. Stay there and stay strong. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. అందరికంటే ఈరోజు కొత్తగా వచ్చిన ఫైన్ రోజు బాగా చేశాడు. సీనియర్ కంటే జూనియర్ ఫ్రెషర్. రెడీ? స్టాండింగ్ పొజిషన్ with dumbbells. Not dumbbells, with ball. With ball. Separate legs. Bend forward. So mid back, lower back, seat, both legs should be straight. Mid back, lower back, seat, legs should be straight. With ball, both hands, head, neck, upper back. Slowly down to back. Slowly down to back. Look back. Find backside wall and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hip rotation clockwise. Hip rotation clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anti-clock. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With the dumbbells. Joint foot. Hands alternative straight liftings. Hands alternative straight liftings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Crossings above shoulder level. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 above shoulder level. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dumbbells drop. Turn to north side. Last. Separate legs. Full wide, more wide, double wide. Brick exactly left foot ankle back side in stand mode. Dumbbell with right hand. Dumbbell with right hand. Both foot turn to left side. Both foot facing left side. Right leg total push back. Kudikalu mottam right leg side. Right leg mottam push cheyali right side ki. Dumbbell with right hand. Slowly bend your left knee. Slowly bend your left knee. Take support brick with left hand. Your face turn to main door side. Not Buddha wallpaper, not sun god. Your face, your chest, upper body facing main door side. Now right hand. Slowly from back side of head, ear, neck, upper back. Kudi cheyi, tala, chevi, meda, venipus, venikrinch ravali. Tighten right kneecap. Little more down your left thigh, left seat. Total back row people. Little more down your left thigh, left seat. Come on, stay strong. Parshava Konasanam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. Sit down.